Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I did these rainbow smoke / neon galaxy kind of nails. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So I started off with Madam Glam's Soak Off Gel Polish in the shade Perfect Black. And I applied 3 coats to all of my nails to just make a nice and even base for the neon look. So as I said, this is the 3rd coat, and I just made sure to cap the free edge and cover all of my nails, and then I cleaned up as I went along for anything that got on my skin, just with a brush and some acetone. And then once I was cured, I'm taking Madam Glam gel polish in the shade Perfect White, and I mixed this with some rubbing alcohol in order to create these kind of little smoke line kind of things. And you can see I did them different on each of my nails and just kind of play around with it until you get the desired effect. And I took some extra rubbing alcohol afterwards right here just to kind of spread out the pigment a little bit more. And then I cured that and then took LeChat Heartthrob, LeChat Peach Blast, LeChat's Blazing Sun, and then Bundle Monster Fairy Fantastic, LeChat Dive In, and LeChat High Voltage. So I took each of these colors and I mixed them with a little bit of base gel and some rubbing alcohol as well. And then I did a similar thing as I did with the little original smoke look, but I just did kind of an ombre and applied each color directly on top of the white. So you can kind of see the base showing through a little bit. And so yeah, pretty basic, just kind of blend it into each other and keep it within the white lines. And then once I applied all of the colors, I cured it for 30 seconds, and I'm taking Gelay's Fairy Dust, which is just a light holographic glitter with really thin glitter particles. And I applied that as a glitter topper just to kind of give everything a little bit more sparkle, a little bit more shine. So once that was all applied, I cured that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp as well. And then I applied a layer of top coat to finish everything off. Once the top coat was cured, I took some rubbing alcohol to remove the tacky layer. And then that's it for this nail art look. Hope you enjoyed this look. I will leave product links down below if you're interested. And leave me a comment if you have any questions, concerns, requests, anything.